Hi, welcome to GOCCOPRO. Today we're showing you the MiScreen and how we set up the 4-colour print that we'll do at the end. We have actually printed it, but when we had this up we thought we'll just show you how it all works. So what we did, we've got a little mini 4-colour carousel that was very inexpensive, but because these frames are actually all the right size and it dispenses the image in the right position, it's very easy to set up a 4-colour job. What we've done is we have actually taken this board and we've cut it specifically to the exact width and size of our frame, so that when we pull this down, the frame fits perfectly to it. And all I've done when we've put this in is we used my fingers, that's how rough this was, we used our fingers to line up the 2 points on the end and 1 point on the side, and we pulled the frame this way, then tightened up. Then we went round with each of our colours and we did the exact same thing. We did a wet on wet print, so this has now got lots of colours and stuff on it, but as you can see from our printed item, you do end up with a lovely little print, so you can achieve some wonderful results with the MiScreen. We've even put colours together right in the centre, so it all works really very nicely, and the colours work great as well. The good thing again about the MiScreen, you might not be able to see it down here, but you can get little gaps and little details in there, so the detail is quite strong. And the MiScreen is perfect for setting up a job like this and being able to produce a little 4-colour job like this. The carousel, as I say, was very inexpensive. If we wanted to move a colour around, then yes, it wouldn't always be the easiest. We would have to undo this and very slightly tweak it, but it's very rough and ready a piece of equipment. But it still shows you, because the registration comes out of these frames and they're all the exact same size, it makes it pretty easy to set up a multiple colour job, as long as the registration is not required to be spot on. If you're using spot colours, it works really very well. So we now have the actual print job, and the first colour we use is orange. We keep a lightweight squeegee, and we just to show you that it's a nice and easy system. We're not using any fancy equipment, but with this you can produce a really nice print without too much difficulty. As you can see, the frames are quite flexible, but again we print quite flat, so it doesn't really matter. So it's an inexpensive squeegee, a very inexpensive carousel, and yet we can produce really a great quality of screen print without too much trouble, and it's all done so quickly with a digital screen maker. Environmentally friendly too, because there's no emulsions or chemicals being used. So there's our finished print. You look sensational. Thanks very much for watching, and please check out our other videos.